Today's PowerPoint is composing and sending an email using Gmail. This is a PowerPoint and a video on the exact steps on how to compose and send an email. Step 1. You are already logged into your email, so you will find the Compose tab in the top left-hand corner and you will click on it. Step 2. A new message tab will appear. In the To field, you will add your recipients. If you want, you can also add recipients in the CC and BCC fields. The recipients can be 1, 2, 5, or however many you would like to send your email to. Once you have your recipients in your To field, you will move on to the subject. You will add a subject to your email. Step 3. You will then type your message. Your message will include a body and your closing statement. At the bottom, you will then see the word Send in blue. Once you click the word Send, your email will be sent. So let's try this out. As you can see, I'm already logged into my email. On the left-hand corner, we see the word Compose. We will click on it. The New Message tab then appears. In the To column, we will put in our recipients. So here, I'm going to send my email to my husband. I then will go to the subject. The subject I'm going to use is important. I then move on to my message. This will include the body and the closing statement. So please remember your appointment at 9 a.m. Thank you, Amber. My message then is done, so I will want to go down to the bottom where it says Send in blue, and I will press it. It has notified us that the message has been sent. So these are the easy and quick steps on how to compose and send an email. Thank you.